welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because as y'all see by the title, I am doing a SHEIN haul. I am very excited to share with y'all the things that I've bought. I kind of have a weird body type. It's very hard for me to buy clothing online because I often have to try things on before I purchase them. I don't really know how to explain this, but I can't just order a specific size in every piece of clothing that I wear. I just have different proportions everywhere, so I actually have to try things on. So I'm excited to share these things that I love from SHEIN. If you are not already, make sure you subscribe down below. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday, so enjoy the video. I'm not sure what I want to start with first. Maybe I'll start with the accessories first, and then we'll do clothes after. So I did buy quite a bit of jewelry from SHEIN. The first thing I got was this 3-pack of ankle bracelets. They retail for $2.16. This is what they look like. One is a shell, one is different colored beads, and then the other is just gold beads. I know this is like a really weird angle for me to show y'all, but I really like them. You can wear them all together or you can wear one at a time. Sometimes I'll wear all of them, sometimes I'll wear just a couple of them, but I really like them. I found that I really enjoy the jewelry from SHEIN. Of course, because everything is cheap, the quality is not going to be very great, but with everything I've got so far when it comes to jewelry, it seems really nice. The next pack of bracelets I got, I actually just received them in the mail. It is this 5-piece bracelet set that retails for $2.70, and they're just all gold and different shapes and sizes. This one that I got is really bent in a weird way, so I kind of have to work it to straighten it out, but I like them because they are adjustable bracelets. Obviously, you can make them as tight or as loose as you want them. I really like the simple look of a gold band, and I've really needed some gold bracelets to match all the gold necklaces and earrings I've been wearing, so I really like them. Just like with those ankle bracelets, you can wear them all together or just one or two, and they're all different kind of styles, and I really like that about them. The next thing of accessories I got were earrings, and I am in love with these, okay? When I first saw these, I was like, I don't think I'll wear all of them. Like, I don't really like the bright colors, but now that they're in the mail, I am so in love. I think they are so cute. Originally, I was like, I'm never going to wear this blue one, but I mean, I could maybe wear it with this outfit that I'm wearing now. I don't know. I just really like the vibe of them, and they retail for $4.86. They come in the pack of 3. And I just really enjoy them. Let's open them up, actually. I didn't order all of this at once. This is actually 2 separate orders. So I actually just received these in the mail yesterday, and I'm doing this haul today. Yes, these are so cute. They're very dangly, like they're low-key really ticklish. These are so, oh my gosh. Yeah, these are really cute. Definitely recommend these. I may link everything down below, that way y'all can check them out. Oh yeah, every time I like move, I feel them like tickle in my neck, but they're really cute. The next accessory I got, I actually don't have. I'm pretty sure they're in my car, but I'm too lazy to go get them. They are a pair of sunglasses. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I'm obsessed with sunglasses. Every single crazy shape I love. So when I saw these, I definitely had to get them, especially for the price. At the time I'm filming this right now, they're actually out of stock, so hopefully they'll get back in stock if you're interested in them. But I'll insert some pictures of me wearing the sunglasses along with the picture on SHEIN's page. But these are called the flat top acrylic frame sunglasses. They retail for $5.40, and let me tell y'all, I am so in love. I wear them all the time. I think they look so good. They came in this really cute leather sunglasses case. They feel a little cheap, but like I was saying earlier, for the price you're paying, things aren't gonna be great quality, but I think everything's fine. I wear these sunglasses all the time. I love them. Now moving on to clothes, I'm very excited to share with y'all. I think I'll start with my least favorite items first, okay? So the first thing I want to share is that I got 2 pairs of jean shorts. Like I was saying, my body is weird. I never know what size to get in things, even when I read like the sizing charts. Like, my body's just weird, okay? So I got a pair of jean shorts, Holy jean shorts, and I think they are so cute. But my problem with these is that they are very, very long. I'm not sure if I can cut them to make them look cuter. These shorts retailed for $17.28, and I'm going to be honest, I don't love them. I think they fit really awkward. I want to try to make them work, but like I said, they feel very saggy in the back, so I don't know if I'll be able to make them look as cute as I would like them to be. They looked super cute on the website and the reviews were pretty good, and I'm not a fan of them. So once I got those and realized that I wasn't a huge fan, I decided to order another pair of jean shorts that I also saw had pretty great reviews. These ones retail for $16.20, and they basically look the same. The nice frayed bottoms, these are a little more frayed than the other ones, and holes. And going to be honest, I love them a lot more on SHEIN's app. In person, I think the holes aren't as cute as I thought they would be, and just like with the other ones, they fit kind of baggy. My next items were bathing suits, and I struggle so hard when it comes to finding bathing suits. I have a very large chest. I've tried so many different stores. Everyone's like, oh, go to Target, go to Aerie, just get the biggest size. Trust me, I've tried multiple items from different stores, the biggest size that they offer, and things just don't cover me. Bathing suits just don't fit right. If I get the right top, the bottoms don't fit. It's a struggle, okay? So when I heard about SHEIN and saw that they offered a wide variety when it comes to plus sizes, I ordered 2 bathing suits and I'm in love. I definitely want to order some more bathing suits because they fit great. This first suit is just a plain red ribbed top, and I think it is so cute. It's got a little square neck, so I think it's very flattering. This retailed for $17.28, and it has the matching ribbed bottoms. They are kind of high-waisted, and I don't really enjoy high-waisted bathing suits because they make you look like you have a diaper on, but I can kind of make it work when I like scrunch the sides together so it like looks not like it's high-waisted. But I really like it. I think it is really flattering. I feel really confident in it. So I definitely recommend for bigger gals who struggle finding bathing suits, definitely recommend this bathing suit. The next bathing suit that I definitely recommend, this one is actually my favorite one, and this is what it looks like. It's got a cute little flowery pattern. My boyfriend actually says that it looks like a grandma, but this is my favorite bathing suit and I love it. Sometimes when I'm laying outside, I'll just kind of tuck the straps in and wear it as a strapless bathing suit, and it works out just fine, so I don't have any tan lines, and it's got matching bathing suit bottoms, and just like with the other one, it fits so good. It's also kind of high-waisted, but you can make it work to where it doesn't look like a diaper, and I just feel really confident in both of them, so I definitely recommend. That bathing suit retailed for $15.12. My last 2 products are kind of nicer outfits. This first one is a floral romper. My first impressions of this romper was the quality's not that great. It's not like it's see-through or anything, but the quality definitely looks cheap. On camera, I don't know if you can tell. It looks like it's see-through. I don't think it really is once you put it on. But when I first got this, this is how it came. It is very, very confusing. Here's the zipper and then the sides. Like, this is a side right here, like your arm goes through here. I had to actually look at the picture because it didn't come tied, and basically you stick your arm through and you tie it right here. So it just comes not together, obviously. But once I figured it out and put it on, I did really like it. It comes with this little belt so you can accent your waist a little more. I don't know how I feel about this. I like it because you can adjust how tight you want the straps. You just have to tie it tighter. I don't like how the straps look on my arms. I think I just have to play around with it a little more, but I just think the bows look a little silly. It only retailed for $14, and it's really cute and a perfect pattern for summer, so can't complain too much. This last product that I have to show y'all is actually my favorite. I don't really like the pattern on it, but I still think that it is super cute. Also, just like the other one, as soon as I got it, I was very confused and I had no idea how to put it on. Basically, it came like this. Like literally, you have to wrap it around yourself like this, and then it has 2 strings. And I'm like, okay, what do I do with these strings? Because this ain't it. But there's actually a little hole right here. I don't know if you can see that. And this string actually goes through this hole. You pull it to wherever you want it. And I want to say you just wrap it around your body and then tie this wherever you want it. It's very confusing. It looks super cute on, but trying to get it on, I'm like, what? But anyway, the pattern is like little tiny hearts. And when I saw the picture, I didn't realize that it was hearts. And then thinking about it, I'm like, why would I want something that was just like polka dots? But anyway, I think it is super cute, perfect for summer. It's a very nice quality, nice and flowy, and just a cute little going out dress. Obviously, I expected it to just be like a normal dress that you just throw on or you pull up. I didn't expect it to have ties you have to wrap around your body and all the things like that. But yeah, definitely recommend this dress. It retailed for $18 and I think that it is worth every penny. So that is all of my Shein haul. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. And if you did like something that I shared, definitely let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday. So thanks for watching.